You are putting the work, meeting the deadlines, solving the problems, helping the team, but the promotion still isn't coming. Here is what most professionals miss. Remember, you do not get promoted for doing your current job well. You get promoted for showing that you are ready for the next one. That shift starts in your mindset first. Now, let me walk you through 5 mindset upgrades that will speed up promotions. You don't have to play politics for that. Mindset 1, from execution to ownership. Remember, it's not about just completing the task. You start thinking from the perspective, what is the outcome here and how can I drive it end to end? That's what your next role demands. Mindset 2, from visibility to value. Remember, don't chase attention, create impact. And let that impact speak louder than the status updates. Start asking yourself, how does this help the business? Leaders think in value, not volume. The third mindset, from problem spotting to solution building. Anyone can say what is broken. Leaders propose what is next. So, before you raise a flag, ask, can I offer a fix with it? Mindset 4, from proving to improving. Promotion hungry people try to prove themselves, whereas promotable people focus on learning, coaching others, and taking feedback well. They grow in ways that scale. The fifth mindset, from permission to initiative. Stop waiting to be told what to do. Start thinking like someone who already holds the title. Lead meetings, propose new ideas, take the next step, energy, and use it now. Promotions isn't a reward. It's a recognition of the mindset you already operate from. And to help you build that mindset, I have created something powerful for you. It's called the Promotion Mindset Accelerator. Inside that, you will get a self-audit worksheet to check if you are thinking like your next role. Second, 5 word-for-word scripts to lead conversations with clarity and confidence. Third one, templates for high-impact updates that boost your promotability. And then, real case studies of professionals who got promoted without changing companies. Not only that, but you'll also get a weekly mindset checklist that keeps you focused on the growth, not the grind. This isn't theory, folks. It's what actually works inside real organizations. You apply one mindset each week, and in 30 days, you are not just doing your job, you're operating at the next level. Just comment or message me, send me the Promotion Mindset Accelerator, and I'll send it to you directly in your inbox. Or if you're serious about this transformation, book a discovery call and let's build your custom roadmap to visibility, confidence, and leadership. Because here's the truth, if you wait to be noticed, you will keep waiting. So start operating from the next level and the title will catch up automatically. Don't worry about that. Let's talk, let's build a mindset, and that will get you promoted. If you find it valuable, then reshare it in your network to help others to grow in their journey. It was great talking to you. Until my next video, bye-bye.